robot, run! Get out of the way! Oh, dear heavens, we're doomed.
Run! It's the robot! Get to shelter!
Oh, dear, we're doomed.
In a land of peace and pastry came a most unwelcome guest. But destiny, it seems, has a funny sense of humor.
Did you see that?
The metal giant kneels. It obels the creature. A new king was crowned. His decrees were simple and very, very fluffy.
You, tine feline fiend, return my robot at once!
But the king's authority was about to be challenged.
I am your king. Obey me!
Achoo!
I say, what is the meaning of this? Release me at once! And so, the kingdom was safe, ruled by kindness.
And cuteness.